Hey, it's VJ from Canada, and just picked up this. It's called a rocker guitar. I guess it's either made in Japan or made in China. It's a Stratocaster style, and nice bit of weight on this. I had a Squire Stratocaster years ago, and it was okay, but just had a chance to plug this in, and sounds good. Uh, Got the three pickups. Looks like it's missing the whammy bar. I might get that, but you know, nice heavy feel. And the best part of it was only 25 bucks, and still got the plastic on the pick guard here. And I imagine a mother had bought it for her kid, and the kid just got bored with it. But anyways, I may resell it, but I may do some recording with this one. And this is for Mo. If he's tired of that old 57 Strat with that beat finish, I'd be happy to trade you for something that's black and shiny.